In this video, we're going to talk about how reports are generated in EasySoft. We collect data based on what we call monitors. These monitors are the basic unit of all the reports that you see, like the tool adoption reports that you see here. The monitors start collecting data as soon as EasySoft has been integrated into your LMS. And this is also the time that your reports start being generated. Monitors are triggered when a user either clicks on a page element like a button or a link, or when a user visits a page via URL. We provide hundreds of out-of-the-box monitors and allow users to create their own custom monitors. Now, to see your existing monitors, simply log into your dashboard, select the gear icon in the top right corner, and click on Activity Monitors. This will give you a list of all the monitors that are tracking activity in your Canvas instance. Now that you're familiar with the functionality of monitors, let's walk through the creation of one. When you want to create a new monitor, launch the inline editor and click on the plus button. Pick the part of the page you would like to monitor, and for this particular example, we're going to click on the Collaborations menu item. And you see here the element has been listed as the Collaborations menu item, and you're just going to click on the Monitor button. You can change the title of the monitor so it can be just a little bit more intuitive for you to remember it. Here, you can also select whether you would like this monitor to be triggered either when the user sees the element, which means when the page actually loads, or if you would like for the monitor to be triggered when the user interacts with that element or clicks that element. And so for this particular monitor, I want to know when the user is actually clicking on the Collaborations menu item. You also have the choice to whether you want to have the monitor trigger on every single page where this left side menu has collaborations, or if you only want it to trigger when someone's on the home page and clicks on collaborations. If you leave it on only course homepage, then you can also choose whether you want it just for this particular course, number 14, or for every course. But I would actually like this to trigger every time that collaborations menu link is on a page. So I'm going to go with every single page. Then you'll need to add a description for your monitor just to help you remember what it's for. And then you'll click on Create Monitor. And then you can just exit out of the inline editor. Then what you can do is you can search to make sure that your monitor has actually been created. So you will need to go back to your dashboard, and it might be helpful to just reload the page to make sure it catches this monitor that you've just made. So again, you just need to click on the gear icon and click on Activity Monitors. We were actually already on that page, so it's right here. And then you can search in the search bar to find the monitor that you just made. And here it is. This collaborations menu item is the custom monitor that we just made. Now, you see that it hasn't been triggered yet, and there are no total triggers at all. So what you can do is go back to your Canvas instance and actually trigger that monitor yourself to make sure that you've made that monitor correctly. So that's what we'll do here. And then we'll just wait for a minute. Sometimes I like to just also reload that page. And then what you're going to want to do is also reload the activity monitor page that you were on. And again, search for the monitor that you made. And there it is. The collaborations menu item that we made just got triggered by my user, which is user number 22, just a few seconds ago, and it's been triggered one time. So that tells you that your monitor has been successfully created and it's working. Quick side note, if you would like to be able to see a report on who has actually triggered this monitor and when, you'll need to add this monitor to a reporting template using the EasySoft dashboard.